Let's drag the letters. A, A, A. Great! A, A, A. Let's drag the letters. Well done! Let's build the puzzle. Smart! A is for apple. Let's write the letters. A, A. Nice! Nice! A, 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 A. Let's drag the letters. B, B, B. Good job. B, B, B. Well done. Let's build the puzzle. Good job! B is for ball. Let's write the letters. B, B. Nice! Well done. B, 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 B. Let's drag the letters. C, C. Nice! C, C, C. Well done! Wow! Let's build the puzzle. Great! C is for cat. Wow! Whee! Let's write the letters. C, C. Good job! Smart! C, 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 C. C, 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 C. Match the lowercase letter candies to the uppercase letter jars. A, A, A. B, B, B. C, C. Well done.